Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MTFB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And then in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very nice bounce. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact of where the price was at its lows and then where it eventually worked its way back up to, any rational person would say, yeah, that's been a very nice bounce on the bull's part. But that does lead to the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type movement? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. In my mind, it all revolves around this area right here at 32 cents. Why is 32 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 32. If the price were to go down to 32 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing with the price at that point? Well, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price came down here, behaved like that, and then began to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this scenario? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 32 cents. What about levels of resistance? Going forward, it's all about that purple line up there, the 50-period simple moving average. I realize that line is quite a bit higher up there, but keyword there being moving. So as the week plays out, that line is going to continue to move itself further and further downwards and get more relevant. So yeah, right now it's still up over 50 cents, but as Tuesday and then Wednesday go, that line will definitely drop below 50 cents. So keep an eye on that from the overall perspective. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Very impressive bounce today. Now it's just a question of, can the price build upon this momentum going forward? Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.